Welcome to this simple sequence. This sequence includes tabletop, side split, balancing table, revolved low lunge, and half split. Come onto all fours in tabletop, wrists aligned with the shoulders, knees aligned with the hips. Bring your left leg out to the side, sole of the foot coming flat to the floor. Tuck the toes of your opposite foot and gently push your bottom toward your heel until you feel a stretch in the inner thigh. Hold here, 3 counts, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Engage that left leg, lift it and extend it behind you. Push the heel out, flex the toes in. On your next breath, engage and raise the right arm so that you are in balancing table. Left leg lifted, right arm lifted. Holding for 3 counts. Continue to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring that right arm down. Shift that left leg forward, bringing the sole of the foot down to the mat. Have your hands firmly on the mat to support your weight. Shift your weight forward into a low lunge, stretching the right leg, left knee aligned over the ankle. Coming into your revolved low lunge. On the next breath, bringing the left arm up, opening the chest to the left side. Inhale, lift, left arm up, chest is open. Holding the pose, continuing to breathe. 3 counts. 2, 1. Slowly bring the arm back down to the mat. Shift your weight back, once again pushing your bottom toward your heel. Extend the left heel out, flex the toes forward toward your face. Push your bottom toward your heel gently, lowering your torso to feel a stretch in the back of the left leg for your half split. Feel the stretch in the calf and the hamstring, holding for 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, come back up. Bring that leg back into tabletop. Resituate yourself, preparing for the opposite side. Bring the right leg out, foot flat to the floor. Gently push your bottom toward your heel until you feel the stretch in the inner thigh. Hold and breathe for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, come back up. Engage the right leg, lift and extend behind you. Push the heel out, flex the toes in. Next breath, lift the left arm, engage, left arm lifted, right leg lifted. Holding for 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the left hand back down. Bring the right leg forward, preparing to shift into your low lunge. Shift the weight forward, getting a stretch in the left thigh. Right knee aligned over the right ankle. Firmly have your left hand on the mat, preparing to come into your revolved low lunge. Inhale, right arm comes up, opening the chest. Holding for 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring the right arm back down. Shift your weight, push your bottom back toward your back heel. Press the right heel firmly into the mat, heel out, toes in. Shifting your weight to get a stretch in the back of the right leg gently in the calf and hamstring. Holding once again for 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the stretch. Bring your foot back down and bring the right leg back into tabletop. And taking a moment in child's pose, knees to the edge of the mat, big toes together, bottom rests down, extend the arms forward. Taking a moment to relax and reconnect. This is our simple sequence of tabletop, side split, balancing table, revolved low lunge, and half split. For a full lesson, please visit school.com www.mysoulliberation.com. Thank you, namaste, and ashe.